Welcome to our channel, where we bring to you a solution tailored for every students, institutions, industry and society as a whole. We believe that learning goes beyond just textbooks and lectures, and that real-world applications are just as important. In this video series, we will be talking about the importance of relating your syllabus with real applications in industry and the advantages that this method offers to students, colleges, industry and society as a whole. For students, learning about theoretical concepts in a classroom can sometimes be overwhelming and disconnected from the real world. By relating syllabus with real applications in industry, students are able to connect the dots and see how the concepts they learn in class are applied in real world. This approach also benefits institutions by giving them the opportunity to provide practical education that is relevant to the industry. This makes the graduates more employable and better prepared for the workforce. For industry, this method offers a pool of talent that is not only knowledgeable but also equipped with the practical skills needed to solve real-world problems. Industry leaders often find it easier to work with graduates who have hands-on experience and are familiar with the tools and processes used in the industry. Society as a whole also benefits from this method, as it helps bridge the gap between education and employment. Graduates who have been trained in this manner are more likely to be employed, which reduces the burden on society and contributes to economic growth. Many successful people have been followed this method and have gone on to achieve great things. For example, Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, dropped out of college but continued to learn by attending calligraphy classes, which he later applied in the design of the first Macintosh computer. His innovative approach to combining aesthetics and technology has been a game changer in the industry. Another example is Elon Musk, who has a degree in physics but also spent time learning about engineering and programming. He went on to co-found PayPal and now leads companies such as SpaceX and Tesla, which have transformed the fields of space exploration and electric vehicles. Another example is Dr. Mae Jemison, the first African-American woman to travel in space. Jemison earned her bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from Stanford University and her medical degree from Cornell University. She later worked as a physician and then as a NASA astronaut, where she conducted research on motion sickness, bone density, and other biomedical topics. Jemison credits her success to her interdisciplinary education, which allowed her to combine her interests in science, engineering, and medicine to achieve her goals. Likewise, there are n number of examples. Please comment if you also know such leading examples. By relating institutions' syllabus with real applications in industry, we hope to inspire the next generation of engineers and innovators. Our videos on this subject will try to increase clarity using 3D animation videos, which will also provide a practical and interactive learning experience that is both informative and engaging. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find our videos informative and inspiring.